Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to my live. So I'm kind of tired. I wanted to jump on here just a little bit before I go to bed. Kind of just beat tonight. It's been kind of a long day. Had a couple of good trades today. Has not been too bad. I've been in profit. Most of my trades so far today. It's been pretty good. So we're moving right along. Hopefully we'll continue this trend. Currently looking at Bitcoin right now, 5-minute time frame. Looking at the 20 and the 200 EMA here, we're gonna see if it's going to cross. Continue up is what I am looking at here long term, at least for tonight. We're gonna see what it will hit. I do have, let's see, where's my pending orders? I have pending orders in at 23,190, 23,187, and 22,707. So let's see how that plays out for later on. How's everybody doing tonight? So we're watching Bitcoin right now. It is currently pending sideways here at the moment. So we'll see how that continues to play out. The range bars here I also use as one of my indicators. It was showing a little bit of a downtrend, but we might get this pullback here. It's what the PSARs are showing here as well. So, hey, Tony Wiley, what's going on? Don Barlow, welcome to my live, you guys. So we're watching Bitcoin right now. We do think it's going to keep going up for the night here. It did have a pullback, but we'll see how that. Oh man, where's my water? I need water. I don't know if I've had enough water today. Yeah, that's better. Mr. Jose, what's going on? Welcome to my live. I'm currently watching Bitcoin right now. It, as you can see, it's just trending sideways. Am looking for a breakout here. We will see what the trading gods will give us tonight. I need to break back up here above 22,468. And we'll see if we can take some profit on that. Hey, TR, man, what's going on, brother? Apollo, welcome. Edge, guys, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Currently watching Bitcoin right now. I want to see if it's going to break above 22,468. And then maybe come back down here, break under my 200 EMA as well. See if we can hit like 22,369 or so. So we'll see how that goes. Again, welcome everybody for joining. I do appreciate you coming to see what is going on. It's been a pretty decent day. I've made a couple of good trades today. Nothing crazy, but still. If you guys can, please hit that like button. It does help out my algorithm. I'm sitting at 0 likes right now. Oh, there we go. Thank you. I don't mean to bug people about it, but it definitely does help me, so thanks. Yeah, it's the weekend, you know, Saturday night now. So I don't expect a lot out of Bitcoin at the moment. But as always, I do come on. It is late. I meant to get on earlier. It's almost 10 o'clock now on the West Coast here. But we will see how this decides to go. Let me change this color. Boogie, what's going on? Bob Shenanigans, how's it going? Nate Pappy, what's up? Sorry about that. I was checking something really quick. Let's see. I was trying something out here with the. I do use TradingView as part of my. Let's see. Let me knock this one out here. As part of my trading strategy, I use 20 and the 200 EMAs. I want to see if I can make an adjustment to something really quick. That one's not letting me do it. I want to see if I can catch one of these that aren't locked. I think they're all locked though. Yeah, these are all locked. Huh. Okay. Hey, thanks for the likes, you guys. Wow, up over 1,000 already. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Do appreciate that. Like I said, it does help my algorithm. It's the only reason I ask. Eugene Brown, man, what's going on? Which candle do you look at to make sure when to buy or sell? I don't look at just a candle. I look at my indicators. I let the candles do what they're gonna do. What I really look at, part of what I look at, okay, this is part of my strategy, is these right here on top here. These are called range bars, okay? These move off points and not time. So if you're looking to know when to buy, you're looking for reversals, like right here. You see I'm circling here? You have the red, right? And then it reverses to green. These move just off points, not time. So they only move when the market moves. So when this starts going green, it's saying the market's going up. So you're trying to catch this run here, or the one up top. And when I trade about 50 to 100 point trades or so, which is about 5 to 10 candles, range bars, depending on how you're trading. So that's what you're looking for as far as like if you want to know when it reverses. These are in my bio. They're called range bars. You'll see Future Capital Trading range bars. Click on that. All you got is register for them. Just your name and your email. That's all it takes. I do have training videos in my Discord on how to use them. So just go to my Discord, Future Capital Trading Discord, and you'll see all the videos that are available to use. Again, that's free too. The Discord is free. It doesn't cost anything. I just made the videos to help people out. And I'm trading on TradeXN down here as well. It has no fees and a low spread. That's why I use it. So you can check that out too. Like all the links are in my bio. I was trying for you on the likes. I'm in Forex Trader, so I wanted to see more trading stuff. Hey Nate Pappy, thank you. I do appreciate you hitting all those likes for me. Absolutely helped get me over 1,000. Thank you. How about when to capitalize on the chandelier effect? That's new to me. I'm not sure. Same as EW or Awesome Oscillator on Thinkorswim. Okay. I haven't used Awesome Oscillator. I have Thinkorswim, but it's kind of complicated or whatever, so I don't really like using it. I do use the range bars here because they are simple. This is my site. future capital trading range bars. So they just move off points, not time. So it just helps minimize the amount of confusion. You know, I put all the EMAs and all that stuff in. I do use the PSAR here on TradeXN, and I use EMAs. I use the 20 and the 200 and the 50 to help give me the direction of the market, which, as you can see, it is freaking just going sideways. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, the range bars are an awesome oscillator. Absolutely do love using them. And then I match them up here to see what is going on with the range bars. Again, these have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. All this stuff is in the links in my bio. I saw a video teaching me to be careful on when to buy due to the fact that it can be a false up. Yes, right. It could be a false breakout. They can be trying to trick you to make you think it's a bullish or long when it's not. That is the other reason I always say to put in a stop loss in place. Risk management is the thing I do trade here on my site. You want to use risk management. Always put stop losses in place. Protect your account. Just use 1 to 2% of your account. You want to treat it like a business so that you don't blow all that hard-earned money that you work for every single day. I tackle that one by... So here's the other thing that I do, and I'm going to show that here. I didn't put them in yet. Because I was putting this on this other... I have 2 computers. But when I do this, I do draw my lines, right? Higher highs, higher lows. And I put them everywhere that there's a higher high. So like right here, right, my buy stop. Another one down here. Anywhere these have hit multiple times. 1 hit, 2 hit, same spot. 1 hit, 2 hit, right? Up here it hit, down here it hit. These are what I'm looking for. So right now it's bounced 1, 2, 3. Well, it's 4. It's bouncing in between this zone right here. So it needs to break out, give me confirmation, and then keep going. Like if you looked at this red one earlier, right? If I drew my box will work. If I drew my box right here where it was bouncing, right? So it came down. This happened to be a really long one, but I'd be looking for like this to have peaked out, and then maybe I would have bought in and it ran it down. Instead, this was a huge drop. I wouldn't have expected that. It's really massive. Other than the fact that there was already this long wick. This long wick tells me it's probably going to come back down anyway. So I would have put like a buy stop in right here, and then a sell stop. Stop loss farther back just in case it did go back the other way. But you always just protect your account. I mean, that's how you do that. Let's just say right now we're trending sideways. So I do use that. I do use these range bars as well. Again, they're free. They're in the link in my bio. Just go to future capital trading range bars and you will see them there. Anyway, that's all it really takes. So yeah, right now we are just going sideways. And so I am trading on TradeXN. Has no fees, low spreads. Has crypto, stocks, forex, and indices on here. It's the other reason I use them. I can trade 24/7. There's always something I can trade all the time. Now, if you do use my link, I would appreciate it if you want to check them out. It does help me out. And if you sign up for them and you give your link to somebody, then you can make some profit from that too. So it kind of benefits everybody if you share your link. But I don't really care about that part. I just do it because I'm trading on here anyway. But hey, if I can make a little bit off of it, then so be it. I don't care. It's also the fact you have to be careful when to buy due to how the price would be the same. Yeah. So what you're looking for too, one, you don't want to trend sideways or buy sideways, which is what we're doing right now. I'm not in a buy. I'm just looking for a breakout. I'm not going to touch this until it shows me it's going to get out of this and continue up or down. So right now we're just watching. And you want kind of like a 45-degree angle when you're buying. So let's see. Let me give you an example because right. Maybe kind of like this. It's going the wrong way, but this is what you're looking for, like a 45-degree just this way. That shows you that you have movement in the market. Like this is moving up, right? That's what you want. This one, 45-degree. You want something that's going to give you some kind of direction. If it's just sideways, you don't want to trend it, then you're basically gambling because you don't know which way it's going to go, so why even risk it? Now you could put a buy stop in, way down here or higher up here, and so when it comes up, it'll hit it. So I have my lines drawn. I know it has to come back up here, or it has to come back down. It's got to go one way or the other. It can't go sideways forever. So you could put a buy stop in both directions. Whatever one it hits, you cancel out the other one. So you can do that as well. But when you do trades, always put a stop loss in place just in case the market goes the wrong way against you. Protect your account. Treat it like a business. Treat it like your actual investment. You work hard for your money. You don't want to blow it all, right? So protect your capital. Use 1 to 2% in your trades. And be careful with your account. That's all you really got to do. You'll learn the rest on the way, and you'll start making money. Also with TradeXN, you can trade literally like with 50 cents a trade as you're learning by having this 0.01 default setting. So that's a good way to be able to use it as well. So you could start out with $100 or $1,000 or whatever. The higher amount you have, the less risk you're taking with every trade, especially when you're starting in the very beginning. So just one more thing to think about if you're using them. I don't typically, I just did start my Discord, actually on Monday. I just split off from another group. I decided I wanted to make my own. But you could join my Discord if you want. The link is in the bio. But yeah, I have thought about doing Zoom meetings. I have to figure out a good time for me to do that. So after a TikTok, I could always just do a Zoom right afterwards. But yeah, we can always do that. Yeah, we can always, if you hook up with me, come over to my Discord channel. It's free. Then we could always talk there as well. And I could always maybe do, if I have time, I can always do a one-on-one with you. And do Zoom. I really don't mind either. I don't mind spending just a little bit of time. That's what my Discord is for anyway. It's a teaching Discord, so I don't charge for anything. I never will. You'll never see me ask for your money. I'm not going to ask for it. I'm doing what I do on my own. So I'm just watching the market right now anyway. So why not talk to people and help them out along the way? I'm already sitting in front of my screen. So that's all I'm really doing. Okay, cool. I will definitely see you over there. Again, yeah, we can always try to set up a Zoom meeting. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have a Zoom account. I just gotta see if I can link it to... I don't know if I can link it. I think I can put a link in on my Discord for that. Cool. Now, if you want to grab... Since you'll be grab the range bars in my link. They said they're free, dude. They don't cost you anything as well. Just your name and your email, you can sign up. And if you ever feel like trading on TradeXN after you've learned some stuff, then you can use that link as well. They said it does benefit me. That is why I do talk about it a little. Because that is the one way it helps me. You guys don't have to pay me, but I can get something from the company. So thirsty tonight. Man, we had some decent moves earlier. It said I made some a little bit of profit earlier, so I've had the last 1, 2, 3, 4. I've had 4 good trades. Broke even on one last 24 hours. So, yeah, not bad for today. And we'll see what the market gods give us today. Again, thank you guys for the likes. I do appreciate that you guys did that for me. Once again, thank you. Market's definitely being slow right now. I said these range bars here on the screen, they do move off points, not time. So they only move when the market is moving. So even if they look like they're not moving, they are. It's only if the market is going the way we need. And you turn them on, just the ones you want to use. So like right now I'm using crypto, so I have them turned on. The audio is on. These also have 70 plus indicators built in that do have the audio signal that comes on because of all those. That's just another confirmation. And then we use indices, stocks, and Forex are here as well on the range bars. So you can get them for free. They don't cost anything. They're in the link in my bio under range bars. You just need your name and your email, just like using TradingView. It's the same thing. TradingView is free to use. I do use it as well as confirmation for the market. Let me move this back again. What did I make this last time? This was... And the 50 is red. Okay, there we go. That's better. And it looks like, yeah, we're right in between the 20 and the 200 EMA, and I don't trade in between those either. I do keep those separate. It's got to be on top or bottom. So it's either on top of the 20 going up, or it's going to be underneath the 200 and going down. So that's what I'm looking for when I'm trading. I'm not going to trade when it's sideways. It's not doing anything. As you can see, there were some good trades earlier. It did go way up and then come way back down. That would have been a great buy-in. I was out at dinner, so I did miss that trade. The 20 and the 200, when they do cross, it's always a good move. Like as you can see here, they did cross and then it took off parabolic, right? So perfect one to jump into. Also, if you come back, we can't see because of this. Let me back up. There we go. Same thing here. It crossed and it went down. Right here, it was coming up. It crossed. It went up. So that would have been a good trade, and this would have been a good trade. Same thing here. It crossed. That was a really nice trade. Right here, look, it crossed and it took off. Awesome trades. 20 and the 200, they have been a godsend for me. Absolutely love using them. I do have all this other stuff in here as well, just to help with confirmation. I have the QQE, EMAs. I have this Kelter signal that I'm using also. Hey, Rush Racing, what's going on? Thanks for joining my live. I said I'm just watching Bitcoin right now, trying to see what's going to do. It's going sideways. I am expecting a uptrend up to like 22,700, 2,300 later on, so we'll see how that plays out. But right now, the market is just flat. I have the PSAR also showing that we're trying to uptrend, but it's been running for a while, so I do expect a little bit of a pullback. It's again, I use the 20, the 200, and the 50 EMAs as part of my strategy. And then the range bars here as well. These just move off points, not time. Hello, Rocky. What's going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. These have cryptos, indices, stocks, and Forex on here, and they're free to use. They don't cost anything. Again, they only move off points, not time. If you'd like to check these out, you can register for them. Go to the link in my bio and go to Future Capital Trading Discord range bars. And also in my Discord, I have a whole bunch of training videos I made on these as well, on how to use them all. So I can show you. Oh, right, God. Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting. You guys can't see that. So I made, a whole bunch of training videos. These are all on how to use TradeXN, and then also for the range bars. So if you want to check those out, please sign up for my Discord. The Discord's free. Doesn't cost anything to use either. I'm just trying to build it. I did start it on Monday, so I only have like, where are we at now? 24 people. So it's slowly growing. Oh, man. Joe McMillan, what's going on, man? Currently watching Bitcoin's going sideways, completely being boring. Where is my... Oh, that's what I wanted. I want this. Wait. Come on, show me my... Hey. Wait. Oh, there we go. I was like, why isn't this working? Let's see. I want to try turn this into... Oops. Oh, come on. Why aren't you working? Save. There's nothing to save. Hey, why is my mouse acting up? Stop it! Oi! There we go. Alright. I'm gonna make this blue. Turn it off. Close. There it is. It's way the hell up there. Alright, let's see. These... Why did that do that? Alright. Just don't know why these went back to where they did, but they did. Come on. 50 is red. Red. Color of this pen is red. Okay. Why did that dull out? What the heck is going on? Okay. That was weird. Why is it doing that? Okay, whatever. Okay. Hey, Exchange Mind, man. What's going on? Welcome to my live, brother. As you can see, we are watching Bitcoin, and of course it's going sideways. The 20 and the 200 are going sideways. 20 or the candles are in between the 20 and 200, so I'm not going to touch it. Hey, thanks for the rose. As always, thank you, thank you. Do appreciate you. Hey, bloke. Gee, what's going on? Welcome to my live. Currently watching Bitcoin. It is crawling sideways right now. We'll see how that goes. Oh, that's why it's so freaking high. That's crazy. So part of my strategy here of using the when I'm trading, I use the range bars here. These move off points, not time. Each bar is worth 15 points, and I trade within 50 to 100 points when I do scalping. These have cryptos, indices, stocks, and forex on here. They're free to use. Just go to the link in my bio, Future Capital Trading range bars, and you can use them. They're free to use, just like using TradingView. And then I am trading on TradeXN. Here's my broker. No fees, low spreads. They have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices as well. Exchange Mine, dude, you're awesome. Thanks for those roses, man. Seriously. And so I use these just because I can use it with the range bars, and then because I can trade on the weekend and stuff, and then I can trade the stock market, crypto, stocks, forexes too. So, and again, no fees, low spread. So I have a $150 account that I can trade with because I don't have all those fees. So it doesn't take thousands of dollars to start. You can just start trading and learn as you go. Chuki, hey, welcome, man. Thanks for the roses too. Yeah, we're just watching Bitcoin right now. It's just going sideways. It's not moving. So the range bars is gonna look like they're not moving, but they only move when the market's moving. So if it's flat, they're not gonna show any real movement. But what you are looking for when you use these is the reversals. So like from red to green or green to red, that's what you want. That's what you're going to try and catch. And you match that up here with with the PSAR. You want to be going the same direction that the market is going. You want to flow with the river, not against it. So that's all that really means. And then I use EMAs as well. So I have a 20, a 200, and a 50 EMA sitting on here. And I use Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, TradingView as well, just to give me some more indication. So between it all, it tells me a story of what the market is doing. And so just all together, it helps. All this is in the link in my bio. TradeXN is in there. The range bars are in there. My Discord is also in there. It's free Discord. I just started it this week. Now we got like 20 members or so in there now. And slowly growing. But I do have a bunch of videos on how to use the range bars, and then how to use TradeXN as well. From putting stop losses in place, which you always want to do. Always put that stop loss in place. Protect your account at all times. Right? That's what you want to do. Target prices help too. If you have both a target price and a stop loss, you can walk away from your computer after you set a trade, because it has to hit a stop loss or it has to hit a target price. But you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to sit here all day. You can go live your life, let the trade do what it's going to do, and that's it. And I use it a lot because I have a family to take care of, and I can't always be here all the time watching this, and I don't want to be. The point is to not be working a 9 to 5, sitting in front of a screen. I want to go to the gym. I want to go on a hike. I want to go whatever. Well, I could set the trade I was looking for and then walk off. So again, definitely a good benefit of putting a stop loss in place, and then treat it like a business. Use 1 to 2% of your account when you trade and protect it at all times. That's why we work really hard for our money. You don't just want to throw it all away. So how do you do that? You put stop loss in place. You use 1 to 2% of your account on a trade, and then you're safe and you're good to go. So user 3457, what's going on? Thanks for joining my live. So we're currently watching range bars right now. Bitcoin right now. Man, my brain is much and tired. How's all your guys trading go today? You guys get any good wins in today? Hey, Steve Phelps, what's going on? Welcome to my live, man. Definitely a sideways market right now. Do any of you guys do any kind of like other crypto trading? If you do, I did come across these things the other day. They're called cryptobubbles.net. These show what all these, like, all at once. This is the top 1,000. I can go to the top 100 cryptos that are out there. I can set this to say like the last 5 minutes, which one is really going right now. Like this says XTX. So XTX is showing what's been going on. It's definitely at a high point here, so it could break that higher high and keep moving. So I could jump over to that and actually probably get a trade out of that, just because it has a lot of volume right now. It's why it's so big compared to all the small ones. It has a lot of volume, which means I could probably get a trade if I wanted to. 2:15. How long have I been live for? I don't know, a little while. Half hour or something. Something like that now. I got on really late. I do apologize. I went out to dinner with my family. And after eating, I almost passed out. You know how it is, start eating, get tired. I had a beer and totally relaxed me. Well, I have to get on. I gotta do this just at least for a little while. Say hi to my Patriots. See if we can maybe catch a trade, but as you can see, I'm sure we're going sideways completely again. And I'm not trying to bore you again. With no trade. There was trades earlier. I did catch, I think it was this one, or this one. One of the two. But I caught one of these earlier. It was a nice trade. So, I said my profits have been okay today. I've had like 4 or 5 wins in a row where I've taken profit. So it's been a good night. But BRC or B? I think you meant BTC USD. I think I did a short. Here, let me look. I'm tired right now. I did 2 shorts. Well, 3 shorts. I did lost one. I did 2 shorts and 2 longs. The longs are definitely in play tonight. That's probably that way I would go if you were going to trade. I had another friend of mine come on, and he gave me a couple of tips for tonight that what he was looking at. Let's see. I have pending orders in place right now. Actually, so if you want to look at these and maybe put a trade in, you can. 22,707, 23,167, and 23,190. Is what he suggested on like the 15 and the 30 minute time frame. So I'm like, okay, cool. So I put a couple of trades in on that. He's been doing really well with his trading, so I'm going to trust what he's looking at. Yeah, I'm beat right now. It is 10:30 at night, so I didn't sleep well last night. It's becoming a common occurrence. Ugh. Anyway, yeah, so we're just chilling right now. Ugh. It does look like the 20 is headed towards the 200. So, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe we'll get a bounce off. You know, you were here with me the other night. Oh my god, dude. Let me pull it back. Where was that? Wait. What time frame am I on? That was the dip. Oh, where did it go? Oh, 1 minute, probably. 1 minute. Where was it? Was that it? No, that wasn't it. Maybe. No, it wasn't it. Where did it go? I'm trying to look at the time zone. Hold the time. No, it wasn't that one. So yesterday, like midnight. What's today? Today's the 4th. Midnight. I don't know. Ended up dropping like anyway. I thought I had my. Must have lost it. But it had like right afterwards. I thought it was right in here. Yeah, I think it's right in here. Like we're sideways, 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 and then like right after I closed out, it dropped. I'm like, man, I could have caught a freaking good trade out of that. But yeah, it was like, I don't know, I think it was an hour, maybe it was a half hour afterwards, and it dropped. Yeah, we would have made profit. Oh, how do you make a pending order? Yeah, let me show you. I think you can see that. Yeah. All right. So right here it says create order. If you create order, you go up here to pending order. Click on pending order, and then you can put your price in right here. And you can also put your stop loss and your target price in as well. So then when you're done, you hit enter. It puts it all on the screen all together at once. So you already know your stop loss. You already know your target price. You know where you want to buy at. You're going to know what. And then you put your percent of 0.01 or 1 or whatever you're trading with. And you can see the percentage and then your spread price as well. Make sure you pay attention to that spread so that you don't end up paying too much right out the gate. Because this is what your fee is, right? That spread fee. As soon as you hit enter, you're immediately negative that much money that you now have to make up. So do most definitely pay attention to that. Or just leave it at 0.01 or wherever your default is, set it at that. So, but that's where it's at. Oh, Miss FL Girl, how's it going? Somebody's checking out my live. Very funny. Yeah, so anyway, that's all you do. It is pretty simple to use. I say again, so we're trading Bitcoin right now, trying to see if we can catch a break out of this thing. We are currently looking to see if maybe we'll go to a long position. And again, I am using our range bars here. They're free to use. They don't cost anything. Give you 3 minutes. Okay, that's cool, man. Hey, Joe Basketball, what's going on? If you are just joining my live, welcome. As I am currently looking at Bitcoin right now. Long position is what I'm trying to catch. It is going sideways right now. I am trading on TradeXN as the broker I'm using. It has no fees, low spreads, and no commissions. Hey, Nash, what's going on, man? And then I'm using range bars here as well up on the top screen. These have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So these move off points, not time. So if the market's trending sideways, which it is right now, then these aren't really going to move. They just kind of sit. They look like they're sitting here. They're not on like a time frame where it's a 5-minute chart or, half hour, hour, whatever. They only move when the market's moving. But you're trying to catch a reversal from like red to green or green to red. You just want to catch these bars, and that's when you want to jump in. You want to pair that too with on here on TradeXN using the PSAR. That's what the dots are here. And then I use the EMAs as well. The 20 and the 200 are a great pairing together. You're always looking for them to crisscross. It's called a golden cross. That's where you can definitely make some money on here for sure. So it's definitely something to look out for. It is why I use them. And then I use TradingView as well. This is one more of my indicators. It is free too, that you can use, the tradingview.com. If you Yeah, check them out. You get 3 indicators for free. You can use it like that. But if you want to get more, then you have to pay for a subscription. I think it's like 16 bucks a month or something. And then you got you get alerts. You can use the replay button, and then you have more indicators you can put on there as well. So it's pretty cool to use. Just one more thing that I use. So. Hey, Alien Tech Racing, man, what's going on? Welcome to my live user 655646. What's going on? Me too, Brian. How's it happening, man? We are watching Bitcoin right now. It is just freaking going sideways. It blows right now. I'm great. It's a great morning in South Africa. I just woke up and I'm enjoying your live. Hey, thanks. It is kind of boring though. I would wish we were in a trade right now. It would make for a more exciting live. I do apologize. I can't make the market do anything though. They did have some cool movement, as you can see earlier. This would have been a really nice one to catch up. That would have been a definite, definitely would have made some money there as well. It was going down here. We had 2 long candles. So that would have been a nice catch as well. When you see consolidations like this, that's what you're looking for. Same here below, right? It was long sideways and then it jumped. It went sideways, went down. So what are we doing now? Now we're going sideways again, completely flat. This is on the 5-minute chart. I think 15, yeah, 15 still. So it's so flat. So what you really want to be looking for now is, I put target price up on top or on bottom, and you want to. That's what you want to catch. Which I don't have one in place yet. Kyle wanted to see which way it was going to go. But like I could put one in right here, 22.455 or just above, which I think I'm actually going to do anyway. So I'll go over here to so you guys can see what I'm doing. I just set my my pending order here, so I can set this to 22. What did I just say? 22. Let's say 460. Yeah. 460. Maybe 465. I want up a little bit more. And then I'd set my target price 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 22. 22, was it 22, 420? I can't even count right now. My brain is like mush. Uh, 420 was that? Why did it do that? Hold on a second. Take profit, going along. Oh. $425. Sorry, my I need to get off here soon. My brain is not having it. 22, 420. I think it was 25 is what I want. Huh? Yeah, 22, 4. 22, 465. No. Damn, dude, my brain. Will I be live tomorrow? Yeah, probably. Looking for. I don't know why my brain didn't want 22. 22515. There we go. Let's see. We want 22,440. Alright. Alright. So we got a buy position in for Bitcoin going long. It is above the higher highs here. Just in case it ends up going up. I'm not really worried about it going down tonight, and if it does, it's fine. Because the market's pretty much been going up, so. Thanks for the calls in the Discord. Oh, I had some money. Okay, cool. Yeah, I know, it's important for the brain, you're right. I'll sleep when I'm dead. I'll sleep when I'm dead. And then my brain can rest forever. Spend more time sleeping than we're alive, man. I was sleeping. I don't get to teach you guys, do I? Oh, this is just murdering me right now. It's so freaking godly slow. Oh, well, maybe we will go up. It looks like it's trying to break the 200. Maybe it will. Hey, Exchange Mind, how's your trading been going? As good as always. Ouch. If you guys do like what you're seeing, please hit the likes. Do appreciate that. Hit the follow, hit the bell. Then you know when I will come on. I come on 1 to 2 times every single day. I'm trading on TradeXN. Has no fees, a low spread, and no commissions. That's why I use them. The broker makes money off of the spreads like every other broker does. And these have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices, so I can trade off all that. There's always something I can trade 24/7. So it is beneficial for that. And then I use the range bars as part of my strategy as well. And these have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices too. These move off points and not time. Each range bar is worth 15 points, and each of my trades is about 50 to 100 points. Because I do like daily scalping. So it's not hard to see that you can easily make a profit as long as these are moving. You want to stay with the trend of the market. That is the way to definitely make profit. And you want to mix these with the PSAR here, like in the range bar in the on TradeXN. You want to flow with the river, not against it. So if it's showing it's going up, then you want to be catching it when it's going up. So together you can make a trade. And I just for confirmation, I use a 20 and 200 EMA. As you can see, that they are sitting in between both 20, 200A, 220, and 200 EMA. I need to go to bed. I can't talk. But you want it to be above the 20, or you want to be under the 200, and moving down like at a 45-degree angle. That is what you're looking for. You also want the 20, if you can, catch the 20 and the 200 to cross each other, or like here to bounce off and then continue down. But the closer they are, that's when you're going to get that movement. When they're really far apart, you have a pretty good chance that it's going to reverse. So then you would want to be shorting the market or riding it back up long to it. But you want to, they either got to be really, really far apart or super close together like they are right now. I just need to break out one way or the other. Oh, good. I'm glad you're resting and taking more time to trade. Can you check AGIX and ACH? And yeah, there are. This is the time to trade whatever time zone. Hey, Exchange Mine. You probably know this, and I forgot. I thought I had this saved, but isn't there a website that shows all the time zones for trading? Do you have that? I know somebody does. Oh, and let me ask somebody, anybody that's on my TikTok right now, does anybody know how, do you know how to record your live on TikTok? Does anybody know how to do that? I'm trying to record my lives so I can put them on my YouTube channel as well. Cause I think people are going to be interested in my lives. So I need to get that going as well. But I'm not quite sure about that. Oh, some pretty lady said to ask my wife. She's pretty smart, so I'll have to ask her. I bet you she'll know the answer. Let's see. Alright. Well, you know, this is just going sideways. It is almost 11 and my brain is fried. I am going to jump off of here, you guys, but I will be on tomorrow again. I promise I'll try to get on earlier. So y'all have a good night. If you can, please hit the bell, hit the follow. And I will be on again. So if you can, yeah. I'm using TradeXN for my broker. My wife was just cracking me up. And then I'm using range bars as well. They're again in the link in my bio, so come check them out. They don't cost anything to use. I do have training videos on them in my Discord, so you can come over to Discord too and hang out there as well. Please say hi. I can show you how to get to the videos as well. So I'll catch you all later. Exchange Mind. Again, thanks. And I'll see you all later. Again, thank you for the roses, man. Thank you. Alright, guys.